against Phoenix. We gave up 36 offensive rebounds, 26 offensive rebounds. I don't think any team can win if you give up 26 offensive rebounds and 18 more possessions from the other team. I don't think any team, at sino pa magiging import namin, diba? Hindi kami mananalo ng ganun. So we really have to be better on that one. And good news is, again, this is just the first game. Hopefully we can get better moving forward. Hopefully yung mga mistakes na ginawa namin ngayon, definitely magagawa pa naman namin yun eh. Magagawa pa ng mga players yun. But just malimit lang namin. Huwag naman sobra-sobra. As of now, ano pa kami? Nangapa ulit. Actually, we were okay already until we changed the input. So, that's on us. That's on us.
What's the reason that we changed?
Well, I mean, the reason why we changed our input is just because gusto na namin makita kung this player can, can really put up or can fill up the spot kung saan talaga kami kumuha, which is we need a leader that can be aggressive both ends of the floor. Because Looney, I think Looney is national team player, so he knows how to be a leader also. He's a vet. But again, kay Teral, actually he was getting better already. He was, after the tune-up games, he was getting the groove already. The thing, this guy, Looney, naging available siya kasi wala siya doon sa team niya sa Lebanon because of what's happening. So, we took our chances actually in the game. So, kaya napalitan namin. But again, kung hindi naman siya dumating, stick to T naman talaga. So, binayang din naman, he was part of the list naman talaga in the first place. So yun, I think we can go to him and he can be much better because, again, I don't want to make it an excuse, but he didn't play for 2 weeks and a half. Then he just arrived. Then nagkasakit. Actually, pagkadating, nagkasakit. So, and then yesterday, ang official practice niya sa amin. So, I'm sure he'll be better. He's a leader. I think he was the team captain of the South Sudan team when they were in Olympics. So I think he's a leader. So yun ang kailangan niya ilabas sa team. And we'll talk more. I haven't talked to him that much kasi sobrang daming kailangan gawin in the past days and preparing for this game. So tomorrow definitely we'll talk to him more and moving forward. So hopefully he'll be better.
Parang nagka-cramps na eh.
Oo, kasi siyempre talaga eh. Adjusting, so but he said he'll be better, so let's see. So, again, I'm not the type of coach that will blame the game because of the import. No? The import and the team will play like that. That's how it is. The players will blame coach. Will always be blamed pag natalo. Yun talaga. So it's on us. And I will make sure that we'll be better next time.
But yung kanina yung last play nyo supposed to be, sabi mo, quick.
Yun nga eh. Again, just it showed that, that kind of decision making, hindi ko naman kailangan questioning. He felt that he had that shot. I give that to Jerome. He brought us back in the game. So, might as well. Ganun talaga eh. He took his chances. And next time, pag ginawa niya ulit yun, It's okay. Until you learn. Until you learn. Until you learn what will you do if that happens again, ano yung susunod mong gagawin. So if, okay.
Coach, thank you.
Thank you.
Coach,